Assalamu alaikum everyone. Ajmal from GrowthZone with another episode of Big Answers. Our today's topic of discussion is holographics principle of this universe. Let me explain the question first. Leading theoretical physicists currently are proposing that this whole universe is a holograph. Holograph of some programming, some code, some information stored somewhere, from which this whole universe is appearing to be into current state of reality as a holograph. One of my favorite theoretical physicists, Professor Leonard Susskind, is leading professor who's proposing this story or this theory, and I'll try to find his lecture related to this topic and put it in the description for this video, so that if anyone is interested can listen from his direct lectures and discussions. So Professor Susskind and his colleagues are proposing this whole story started when Stephen Hawking presented his theory of decay of black holes, and during that he suggested that information gone into the black hole and which cannot come out of it cannot be retrieved, and when that black hole, regardless how much time it takes, is decayed and goes out of existence, that information which was sucked into that black hole is lost. This goes against the pre-existing principle of conservation of information, that information should and cannot be lost. It can be transformed, it can transfer, it can change the place, change the storage location, whatsoever. But Professor Susskind and his colleagues opposed that idea, and they then Stephen Hawking and these professors had a long discussion and debate upon this topic, and later on Stephen Hawking agreed with their presentation of idea in mathematics and calculations and principles that information is not lost. So what is information? Information, any data or anything which has attributes has the information of itself, and even the light has its own information stored, and it cannot be lost else, regardless wherever it is gone. It can be retrieved, it can be changed, it can change the shapes of appearance, but it's not lost. So anyway, so when that debate and discussion continued and it went into expansion, Professor Susskind and his colleagues presented the holographic principle of this universe, that this whole universe has its related information stored somewhere. And furthermore, in this current holographic principle theory of this universe, they are proposing that, they say, because this is holograph, for a holograph reality to appear, some kind of light needs to shine through that information to make this holograph to appear, right? As a Muslim, as a student of science with an interest in this modern physics and quantum physics and all the related theories, I agree. We Muslims believe all the programming of everything in this universe and beyond, so many other related information, life cycles, lifespans of human beings, their destinies, their fates, or everything, each and everything has been programmed already by the Creator, God Almighty, in Lohe Mahfuz. And on the same time, for this universe, we have been told that this life, this earth, this universe is kind of fake. It's not real. It's just a deception. And we Muslims should not indulge ourselves into this earthly life beyond certain dedication and attachment, so that we might fall into the trap of doing something wrong, disobeying God Almighty's order and teachings of Islam, which will cause problem for us in life hereafter. Okay, coming back to the holographic principle of this universe, Professor Susskind says that this universe is holograph to appear, a light needs to shine through that programmed information. We agree? I agree. In Quran Pak, Allah Ta'ala says that Wallahu Nuru Samawati wal Ard. Allah Ta'ala is the light source, Nur, for this heaven and earth and everything. So the passing of Allah's Nur through that programmed information can and does cause this whole universe holograph to appear. Our experience of this universe, of this earth, of this life, we call it, accept it, label it as a reality. Yes, for us in this life, this is a reality. It's a level of reality through which we have to live. We are told how to live, what's the right way to live. Whereas the ultimate reality of life will come in life hereafter. Okay. Being a Muslim, being a student of science with interest in current sciences and advanced theories, I totally agree with that presentation of theory of holographic universe, because it matches with my beliefs of my religion, my religious values, and I can verify based upon the information available to us. So I hope scientists are on the track. I plan to make another video regarding that, is science and religion are at war, and I will elaborate further on that, how and what's the relationship between these two entities of life, or these disciplines of life, and how do they can interact, and what should be the right way forward for these two disciplines of life. I hope you enjoyed my discussion. I hope it might have answered some of your questions. I also hope that it might have created some new questions in your mind. If so, please comment. Please let me know. I will try to discuss in some further videos. Keep smiling. Bye-bye. Ajmal Khan from GrowthZone. If you found the discussion interesting, please like, comment and share it. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.